Here at Performance Toyota, we know there's nothing better than that new car feeling.
And that's why we offer multiple protection plans to keep your mind at ease, keep your car running like new.
We're here to help you make an informed decision and protect your investment. Accidents and thefts happen, and sometimes your insurance won't cover what you still owe on your loan. That's when GAP, also known as Guaranteed Asset Protection, comes in.
In the event your vehicle is a total loss or if it's stolen, insurance will only pay off the market value of your vehicle. GAP will pay off the remaining loan balance and potentially save you thousands of dollars. It's a small addition that can make a big difference when the unexpected happens.
Vehicle Service Contracts, also known as a VSC, helps cover repairs after your factory warranty expires, including major components like your engine, transmission, and electrical components. It protects you from expensive repair bills and keeps your car running smoothly for years to come.
We all love that new car look. With paint and fabric protection, you can help keep it that way.
This package adds a protective coating to your exterior and interior surfaces. It helps guard against sun damage, stains, and everyday use.
It keeps your car looking newer longer and helps retain its resale value.
Let's face it, potholes and nail punctures are part of everyday driving.
With our wheel and tire protection plans, you are covered for repairs or full replacements in case your tires or wheels are damaged.
Some plans even come with roadside assistance, towing, and lodging reimbursement if you're far away from home. It's an affordable way to stay protected from the bumps on the road, literally. Routine maintenance is the best way to extend your vehicle's life. With our prepaid maintenance plans, you're able to cover your oil change, tire rotation, and top your fluids.
It's a convenient way to stay on top of your maintenance schedule, avoid unexpected costs, and keep your car in peak condition.
Today's car keys are packed with technology. That means they can get very expensive to replace.
Our key replacement protection covers lost, stolen, or damaged keys and fobs. Even includes roadside assistance, lockout, and towing. It's simple coverage that saves you from one of those "it'll never be me" kind of moments.
Your windshield does more than you think. It keeps you safe and gives you a clear view of the road.
Our windshield coating adds a durable layer of protection that improves visibility in the rain, it resists cracks and chips, and also reduces glare. It helps extend the life of your windshield and keeps you driving safely.
And if you want the ultimate protection, check out our combo protection plan. It's going to combine your tires and wheels, paintless dent repair, key replacement, windshield repair, all in one convenient plan.
Every driver's needs are different, so that's why we offer different protection plans to fit your lifestyle and your budget.
If you're interested in one of these protection plans or would like to learn more, come talk to one of the finance team members here at Performance Toyota or check out our website for more information.